Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open the 6-inch Chromebook R11 lid and press the power button to start. The screen should wake and show the Chrome OS welcome screen. Choose your language, keyboard layout, and connect to Wi-Fi using the network list. Sign in with your Google account to sync apps and settings across devices. Wait while the device checks for updates and installs them automatically if available. If prompted, complete the guided setup and optional Google services to finish a safe initial configuration. Use the launcher and shelf to access apps, files, and the Chrome browser quickly. Tap the launcher icon to view all installed apps and use the shelf to pin frequently used apps. Use the touchpad with two-finger scroll and tap the touchscreen for direct interaction with web pages. Drag tabs to create new windows and use the window controls to snap or maximize. Press Ctrl and the switch window key to capture a screenshot and find it in the Downloads folder. Keep Chrome OS up to date and run occasional checks for updates in settings. Backup important files to Google Drive and use the Files app to manage local documents. Insert a micro SD card to expand storage capacity up to 128 GB for media and offline files. If problems persist, perform a power wash to factory, reset the device from settings, and re-sign in. Create a recovery USB using the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.